Get ready for the most magical season with 10 easy and unforgettable elf arrival ideas. Plus, we're giving you 5 free printables to make the magic happen instantly. Let's dive right into the fun. Starting with a classic on the mailbox. The door, or peeking out of a window. Or go big with a grand entrance. Try rigging a zipline or float on an air balloon. For a giggle, find them hilariously tangled in the yard. Or mysteriously sealed in a bottle. Need quick mornings? The I'm back message written with cereal. You can also stage a warm welcome with a special rival breakfast, or make it a game of suspense with a holiday hide and seek. Ready to get started? You can download all 5 free printables right now in my Facebook group. The link is in the description below. Have a wonderful elf season. More ideas are coming soon, so stick around.